Hello everyone and welcome to LAW BAAT. As you know, in LAW BAAT every week I ease some difficult topic for you. So today in the today's session, what topic I have brought for all of you? I have brought the topic of examination, right? This is the part of the Evidence Act and it will be very crucial for all of you. So let's start. Okay, I Sujay Dikshit on behalf of team ClatPrep. Let's start. देखिए, तो बात क्या हो रही है आज मैं बात कर रहा हूं एग्जामिनेशन की. ठीक है, तो एग्जामिनेशन का मतलब क्या है? यू माइट हैव सीन इन एनी फिल्म और एनी सीरियल और समवेयर कोर्ट में विटनेस गया हुआ है ना, एंड एडवोकेट इज आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम. ठीक है, सो दिस स्टार्ट्स देयर, right? So in the today's class, what we are going to see this particular concept, right? Cross examination, examination in chief, and re-examination, and when they can be done and what are done in this perspective. Let's see. Examination of witness is an art as per the Ram Jethmalani. You might know Ram Jethmalani, no? One of the greatest advocate India ever had, Ram Jethmalani. तो उन्होंने क्या बोला? देखिए, एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ अ विटनेस इज एन आर्ट, एंड यस इट इज, ही इज राइट. एन आर्ट दैट वाज बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस इन इंडियन कोर्ट्स बाय द लेजेंड नानी पालकी वाला. ठीक है, नानी पालकी वाला, यू है ना, व्हेन द डुओ हैड अ फेस ऑफ इन द फेमस नानावटी केस. देखिए, नानावटी केस में नानी पालकी वाला और राम जेठमलानी दोनों क्या है, आपस में थे, वन ऑन वन. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी परफेक्ट केस इन विच अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन वाज बीइंग डन बाय टू लीगल स्टॉलवर्ट्स. ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा मैटर था ये. आगे देखते हैं. एग्जामिनेशन इन जनरल plays more crucial role in jury trial because there is the truth that has to be made simpler to make sure that the average mind can understand it. देखिए बेटा, जूरी सिस्टम क्या था? ये जूरी सिस्टम इंडिया में अबॉलिश हो गया. कब अबॉलिश हो गया दिस सिस्टम? आफ्टर द पर्टिकुलरली नानावटी केस. ओके, बिकॉज द कोर्ट थॉट दैट जूरी कैन बी, ये जो जूरीज होते हैं बायस हो सकते हैं, या इनके दिमागों को their brain can be biased, मतलब उनको किया जा सकता है बायस. तो इसलिए सिस्टम इंडिया से हटा दिया गया नानावटी केस के बाद. सो नाउ वी जस्ट फॉलो द ट्रायल सिस्टम. हमको जूरी सिस्टम फॉलो नहीं करते. अच्छा, एज फार एज द कॉन्सेप्ट इज कंसर्न, व्हाट इज द जूरी सिस्टम? मीन्स people from every facets of life, let's say 12 to 15 people were being selected, okay, and और उनको क्या है कि during the trial they were made to sit in the court and observe everything, right, and afterwards they were asked to give their own judgments कि what do you think, क्या किया जाए, है ना, सजा दी जाए या छोड़ दिया जाए, इस तरीके से. तो वो सिस्टम हमने अबॉलिश कर दिया. तो एग्जामिनेशन बेसिकली क्या था उसके अंदर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अच्छा, when a party starts the examination of witness, but still this is done, right? When party starts the examination of witness of the evidence, then the other witnesses must be kept out of the courtroom. Important point. Let's say I called one witness, so only that particular witness will be in the courtroom, other witnesses will not be. So पहले उसका होगा. When the examination of one witness is complete, then the next witness is called for the examination. है ना, आपने सुना होगा ना, XYZ हाजिर हो, लाइक, है ना, फिर हाजिर हो, क्या एक के बाद एक, है ना, ये जाएंगे दूसरे आएंगे. एंड विटनेस हुज एग्जामिनेशन इज कंप्लीटेड आर नॉट अलाउड टू रिमेन इन द कोर्ट रूम. उनको कह देंगे कि आप जाइए. इफ द विटनेस रिमेन्स प्रेजेंट इन द कोर्ट रूम, देन ही शुड बी आस्क्ड टू गो आउट. मैंने कहा ना भाई, उसको जाना जरूरी है. इफ एनी विटनेस प्रेजेंट ड्यूरिंग द एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ अनदर विटनेस, देन हिज एग्जामिनेशन कैन नॉट बी रिफ्यूज्ड ओनली ऑन द नोट to be made by the judge that he was present in the courtroom during the examination of another witness. Okay, this is something, these are the rules as far as examination goes on. Now let's proceed further. Now, first of all, let's say in the concept of examination, what first comes is examination in chief. ठीक है, तो शुरुआत में suppose मैंने अपने witness को बुलाया, I called my witness. So when I'll start asking the question, I will begin with this examination in chief. Now let's see the definition. Examination in chief is defined under section 137 of the Indian Evidence Act. When the party calls a witness, है ना, मैंने बुलाया मेरे witness को, it is called examination in chief. तो इस स्थिति को क्या बोलेंगे? In this situation will be called as examination in chief. It is the first examination of witness after the oath. Oath ली, this is the first, है ना. It is basically meant to get the facts out of the witness, and it is the first round of squeezing. आउटसाइड है ना, सबसे पहला राउंड. It generally does not involve a lot of what is observed in TV because more likely than not it is the witness that has a statement to make in favor of the party from whose side they are called. ठीक है. तो टीवी में क्या होता है, एग्जामिनेशन इन चीफ क्रॉस और री एग्जामिनेशन मिक्स हो जाते हैं, तो उससे आप कंफ्यूज मत होइए. यहां क्या होगा, एग्जामिनेशन इन चीफ में मैंने ही बुलाया है, मतलब वो मेरा ही विटनेस है, तो ऑफ कोर्स ही विल टॉक इन माय फेवर ओनली. Okay, so what might be the case of on my side, he will always be talking positively, है ना, मेरी तरफ से ही बोलेगा. That is called as examination in chief. तो मैंने बुलाया, मेरा विटनेस है ना. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now let's see the concept of cross examination. See, after finishing the examination in chief, cross examination will start, है ना. In the cross examination, opposite counsel asks the question so as to discredit the witness. My witness, I ask the question, examination in chief. Okay, then I'll sit. Opposite counsel will come. He will ask the questions from the witness now to discredit him or to interpret the evidence in favor of their client, है ना. उस तरफ से क्या संभावना है उसको ये ढूंढते हैं. और to interpret, है ना, ये हो गया. The opposite counsel may ask the question which are related to the facts. ऐसे. Cross examination is very important in the examination of the witness. Due to the cross examination, many facts get clear because in the cross examination, defendant analyze all the statement of the witnesses, then ask cross question related to the statement which was given by the witness in the examination in chief. तो examination in chief में जो बोला उसी के बेस पे क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में काउंटर हो रहा है. समझ में आया. सामने वाली पार्टी अपने फेवर में एग्जामिनेशन इन चीफ को करना चाहती है, तभी तो क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में वापस पूछा जा रहा है. अब क्या होगा, ये नेक्स्ट सेकंड स्टेज है ना. देन कम्स री एग्जामिनेशन. नाउ व्हाट इज री एग्जामिनेशन? द पार्टी हु अटेंड द विटनेस फॉर द क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन शैल बी कॉल्ड for re-examination. If the party not subjecting to cross examination as per the court order, then it is not safe to trust on examination in chief. ठीक है. So means those who all go through the means the cross examination, है ना. cross examination के लिए क्या होता है, पार्टी को जो बुलाया जाता है, देखिए जो पार्टी अटेंड करेंगी क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन, उन्हीं का बाद में फिर री एग्जामिनेशन होता है. ठीक है, बाद में. और मींस आपने देखा होगा इन द फिल्म्स एंड सीरियल्स आल्सो दिस थिंग गोज ऑन. आई विल डिस्कस दिस इज इन मच इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड in much detail, I will discuss this re-examination. Now see the leading question. Any question suggesting the answer which the person putting it wishes or expect to receive is called a leading question, है ना. Why I am teaching you this leading question? Because in the upcoming slides there will be some points regarding leading questions. Any such question which suggests the witness the answer which he is expected to make is known as a leading question, है ना. According to a famous scholar Stephen, a leading question is one which is either A, suggests the answer desired, or assumes the existence of disputed facts as to which the witness is to testify. ठीक है, इन्हें बोलते हैं leading questions. Now let's proceed further. See, now to conclude it, this is the slide where everything comes into the conclusion. See, examination in chief, cross examination and re-examination. Let's see. Examination in chief is an examination of a witness which is done by the party who files the suit or case in the court. Let's say I. Next point. Cross examination is an examination of a witness which is done by the adverse party after the examination in chief, है ना. तो the opposite counsel came and then what he does is a cross examination. Next, re-examination. Re-examination is an examination of a witness which is done by the parties to remove incompatibility which arises during the examination in chief and cross examination. मतलब अगर कोई डाउट यहाँ पे निकल के आ रहा है तो उसका कंक्लूजन री-एग्जामिनेशन में हो जाएगा. कोई दोनों में से कोई भी पार्टी ऐसा कर सकती है. Examination in chief, it is the first step in the examination process. Next, it is the second step and is led by the opposite counsel, right? It is the last step in the process of examination and is led by the counsel whose party brought in the witness, है ना. कौन है, यानी मैं खुद. ठीक है, तो ये वो करेगा री एग्जामिनेशन. नेक्स्ट, द पर्पस ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन इन चीफ इज टू ब्रिंग आउट द फैक्ट एंड इज जनरली डन विद स्टेटमेंट अंडर ओथ. ठीक है. द पर्पस ऑफ क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन इज टू टेस्ट द ट्रूथ ऑफ द विटनेस. ठीक है. The purpose of re-examination is the examination of witness which is done by the parties to remove incompatibility which are during the examination chief and cross and to clarify the points so raised during the cross examination. ठीक है. Next, no leading question may be asked without permission of the court in examination in chief. I have just है ना, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले समझाया मैं leading question. Freely asked leading question in the cross examination. तो cross examination is the place where one can freely ask the leading questions. Then no leading question may be asked in examination and cannot introduce new matter without permission of the court. ठीक है, यहाँ पर leading question नहीं पूछ सकते re-examination में. तो यानी only leading questions will be asked during cross examination. Next, it is the part and package of judicial proceedings. Okay, it is essential to pull out the truth and also essential part of judicial proceedings. Okay, it is not necessary in the examination of witnesses and it is not an essential part of judicial proceedings. ठीक है, तो मतलब essentiality नहीं है re-examination. So always in general examination and examination in chief and cross examination will be there, but re-examination is like it is not a mandatory process under the law. Okay, so by this now I am quite confident that each and every doubt regarding the examination concept has been clarified. Thank you so much and see you in another session.